You can select date range wise. And second graph is ratio of planned versus unplanned task at time. This graph shows that how much task or job orders we have planned from preventive maintenance and how much are unplanned, means sudden breakdown has come. So we can see unplanned tasks are more than planned tasks. Also, we can see 10 highest repair time machine wise. We can see the drill machine one has the highest repair time than machine one. Also, we can see top 10 MTTR. MTTR means mean time to repair, means top 10 machines which have more repair time divided by their total number of breakdowns. So this calculates our mean time to repair. Also, there is a report of pending breakdown. These breakdown are pending as of now. Also, there is a list of overdue tasks which are pending, whether it is from breakdown, it is of preventive. This application cover all aspect of maintenance. The one is preventive, second one is predictive, and third one is breakdown. All three aspects cover this maintenance application. So now I'll move to the this first administrator part is there. Then there is a user master. We can define different type of user, employee type of administrator type. We can define. You can see there are employees are there, employee one, employee two, and user one. Their email ID, their department we can define. And also we can make active and inactive. You can see this checkbox is there. We can make inactive and active these employees or these users. Then there is a user-wise branch assignment. This application support multiple branch concept in one company or database. We can define different branch. We can select that there is a user one, and we can define this will work in Delhi and Hardwar branch. Means this can view or work, do entry in the specific branch which we have assigned to this user. So we can assign branches to the user. There is a change password option. User can change his password. Also, there is a reset password. Administrator can reset the password of the user. It will create a default password of the user. Also, there is a authorization. This application authorization is first branch wise. We can assign authorization. Also, we can assign user by their transactions, masters, and reports. We can assign this user will create this document series master. Also, there is a aspect add, edit, view. One dimension is this. He can add only, he cannot edit, he cannot view, we can define these authorizations. So we can define authorization by branch wise, by transaction or reports wise or master wise. Also their action wise, edit, add, view, and print. We can define. So there is a broad level of authorization we can define. Now we'll move to the master. There is a document series master, branch wise document series we can define for the different transaction, for the job order, for the breakdown, or for the equipment book. We can define. You can see there is a series code. There is a start date, to date, also start number we can define. Any suffix prefix also we can define. Also there is a active checkbox we can make inactive. Any series if not required further we can make inactive. Then there is a department master. We can define different department in our company. We have provide the master like production, QC, marketing, sales, whatever define you have, you can define there is a master. There is a part master. In part master, we can define our parts which are used in machine. We can define parts. We can assign SAP item code. If you are using SAP Business One, you can assign your inventory part code with this part code. Also, we can define the brand, remark we can make active. We can make active and inactive this item. Also, you can see Excel upload feature is there. We can upload data in bulk with the Excel. We can define that also. So this is the path master. Then there is a technician master. We can define branch-wise technician. Technician is the person who will attend those preventive maintenance, those breakdowns, or predictive maintenance. These may be supervisor or their subordinates. We can define. So you can see there is a technician code, technician name. Also, we can map this with the SAP resource code. If we have a resource code in SAP labor type, we can map this. That is also possible. Also, we can define cost per hour of this resource, so we can calculate the total maintenance cost for any job or for a specific period. Also, we can make active and inactive to this technical or technician mastery. Then there is a breakdown type. If there is any breakdown, there may be multiple regions. So we can define breakdown code. Just we have defined utility, electrical, mechanical. This may be different as per your requirement. There is a master. We can define those. Now there is a equipment master. Equipment or machine master, you can say. For example, we have defined this power press. This is for Delhi branch, power press 1, the code, name. The resource code also we can tag with this, that SAP resource code is this for this equipment. The department responsibility we can define, rating or capacity we can define 5 times. Then we can define the vendor, from which vendor we have purchased this, vendor invoice number, vendor invoice date we can define. Machine serial number also we can define. Also, it is our internal or external place. If it is at external place, then we can define this business partner details. Means a vendor or customer at which end it is. We can define the code name, address details. Also, there is Excel upload utility. We can upload data of equipment master or machine master in bulk with the Excel. That option is there. Also, we can define our warranty or AMC detail here with the equipment. From this vendor, we are taking warranty. This is applicable from this date to this date. And whenever this warranty or AMC will be renewed, we can add row and we can define the further detail. So this is our equipment master, the one thing. So this was the master part. In transactions, there is a first consider this preventive maintenance schedule. In this, we will define, we have defined this power cross 1. These parts will be used. As of now, we have defined 4 parts. We can define a number of parts. There is no limitations. As of now, we have defined bearing 6002 will be used in 4 quantity. Bearing 6003 will be used in 3 quantity. One belt of 15 into 400 size in 1 quantity. Solenoid valve of 3 by 4 inch in 2 quantity. Also, we can define frequency of this preventive maintenance part wise. You can see for bearing 602, we have defined frequency of preventive maintenance every 1 month. For bearing 6003, it is every 1 month. And for this belt, we have defined that frequency of preventive maintenance will be every 2 months. And for this solenoid valve, every 1 week, we have to do preventive maintenance. So we'll define this schedule, and according to schedule, before 3 days, system will create job orders automatically for these tasks. There is no need to add job orders manually. System will create job orders manually 3 days before automatically. So this is the preventive maintenance schedule. Now I'll move to the breakdown. If there is any breakdown in any branch, in any machine, we can define the drilling machine. So part 5, reported by the person, name, department. Also reported date and time and the status. Breakdown type, the master we have defined previously. And what is the details? Machine is not starting. We'll mention this. And as we add this breakdown, system will automatically create the job order for this breakdown. Now we'll move to the job order. We'll move to the existing records. We can define new, this one. You can see this is in open status as of now. This is, I'll take that one. Yes. You can see breakdown number 14, report date, report time, reported by, equipment, code drill machine 1. So by default status is open. As of now, it is showing close. So there are 4 status in every job card. By default, it will be open. Then we can assign technician. When we have this assigned, we can do assignment of technician ID. That this technician will resolve this. And after assignment, there is a option for resolution. We will define resolution. What is the resolution? Machine is reset. What is the resolution date and time? You can see. We will enter that detail. And if any type of kappa is required, we have to select that this corrective and preventive action is required. So we can select yes or no. If we select yes, then system will ask for kappa details. What are the kappa details and what is the kappa date? And when task is completed, user will close this. System will ask for close date and time. This one. And also, if it is for preventive or breakdown, system will show the part list, and we have to change the status pending to done. If any part is replaced during this breakdown or preventive, we have to do entry of that also. We have to define part replaced yes. We have defined this part 2 is replaced in 1 quantity. Any remark we can enter. And if it is you are using SAP Business 1, then we can link this issue number also, goods issue number from SAP to for the costing purpose. System will take cost of that also, that good issue, that part cost. That is there. And also, if we define the total man hour to resolve this task, we have entered 4, and we have defined cost in master, that is 12 rupees per hour. It is just for demo. So system is calculated that 48 rupees will be cost for this job order. So that is the job order. On breakdown, system will create job order automatically, immediately. On preventive maintenance schedule, system will create a job order as per the preventive maintenance dates. And we can define preventive maintenance job order for preventive maintenance immediately, predictive maintenance. We have to select branch. The series will come automatically, system date time, report date time. We can equipment code for in which equipment there is a predictive maintenance requirement. Status is open. You can see there are 4 status: open, assigned, resolve, close. By default, it is open. And we have to save this. Sorry, system is asking for. I said no. Please enter detail. What is the problem? Machine is creating sound. Detail saved successfully. We go to the existing record. Yeah. Now, this is our predictive. When we work on this, we will assign someone. We'll take technician ID that this technician works on this predictive task or predictive job order, and we'll update this. So now task is assigned to technician. When we resolve it, we have to enter the resolution date, also resolution time, at which time it is resolved. And what was the resolution? Whatever is the resolution, we can Type here, update, and if any part is replaced, we can select here, yes, we can take part number, and we can select this part number, how much quantity is replaced. We can take that also. And when our job is complete, we can change status to closed. We have to define close date and close time. So by this way, close time, what we have defined, okay, resolution time we have, yeah, this way. Please enter close time less than or equal to resolution time. 17, 12, 17. Okay, this was the scheduled time, resolution time. Oh, it was, resolution time was 1845. Okay, sorry, 1846. I was entering wrong time. So this way we can close our job order. Now there is a equipment logbook. In this screen, we can do entry of our equipments or machine which are running, like generator, compressor kind of things. We can do even our vehicles. We can enter that how much is the counter total time and in which date. On 17th, it is start 9 and 10:30, total 90 minutes it is running. If any fuel is consumed during any, like your generator or vehicles, we can enter that fuel consumed also. Shift wise, we can do entry. Equipment first start date, we can enter. So this way we can maintain our equipment logbook. For our vehicles, for our generator, compressors, like of things, we can do logbook entries. Now there is a report. We can check service status report. Also, we can check, we can create multiple type of report. From date we can select, to date we can select. There are multiple filter criteria. Status we have taken, document type we can download in PDF, Excel, Word also. Also we can see in the metrics, this machine, this number, that report date, this is the technician, resolution date, closing date, time, all the information will come here. So this was maintenance application developed by Kabeer. It covers breakdown maintenance, it covers preventive maintenance, also it covers predictive maintenance. So this was for today. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.